Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up email marketing with Klaviyo on Shopify. So if you have a Shopify store and you want to start collecting emails, sending messages to your customers, and bringing people back to your store, then this video is for you. Klaviyo is a tool that helps you send emails to people who visit your store, buy something, or sign up for your email list. You can use it to send welcome emails, discount emails, cart reminder emails, and many other simple messages. I'm going to keep this very simple, so even if this is your first time using Klaviyo, you can follow along step by step. Step 1. Open your Shopify store. The first thing you need to do is open your Shopify account. Go to Shopify and log into the store that you want to connect with Klaviyo. Make sure you are using the correct store, especially if you have more than one Shopify store. This is important because you do not want to connect Klaviyo to the wrong shop. Once you are inside Shopify, you do not need to change anything yet. Just keep your Shopify store open because later Klaviyo will ask you to approve the connection. Step 2. Open Klaviyo. Next, open Klaviyo in a new tab. If you already have a Klaviyo account, just log in. If you do not have one yet, create a new account first. Use the same business email that you normally use for your store, so everything is easier to manage. After you are inside Klaviyo, you will see your main dashboard. This is where you can control your emails, your customer list, and your Shopify connection. Step 3. Go to Integrations. Now, look for the Integrations section inside Klaviyo. Click on Integrations. After that, click Explore Apps. This is where Klaviyo shows you the apps and stores that you can connect. In the search box, type Shopify. Once Shopify appears, click on it. Then click Install. This tells Klaviyo that you want to connect your Shopify store to your Klaviyo account. Step 4. Add your Shopify store link. Now, Klaviyo will ask for your Shopify store link. You need to enter your Shopify store address. This is usually the address that ends with myshopify.com. For example, it may look like this, yourstorename.myshopify.com. Do not use a random link here. Use the main Shopify store link connected to your shop. After you enter your store link, click Connect to Shopify. Klaviyo will now send you to Shopify so you can approve the connection. Step 5. Approve Klaviyo in Shopify. Once you are sent to Shopify, you may need to log in again. After that, Shopify will show you a page asking if you want to install Klaviyo. Take a moment to check that you are still inside the correct Shopify store. If everything looks right, click Install App. This lets Shopify and Klaviyo work together. After you click Install, Shopify will send you back to Klaviyo. Then Klaviyo may ask you to confirm the setup. Click Integrate or the button that finishes the connection. Now your Shopify store and Klaviyo account are connected. And that is how you can set up email marketing with Klaviyo on Shopify. Now your Shopify store is connected to Klaviyo, your email list can start growing, and you can begin sending emails to your customers. Take your time with each step, test everything, and keep your first emails simple. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.